Hello friends, this is Devlina from Stringent Dance Academy, and today I'm going to talk about a very interesting thing which is known as Baith Ki Bhav. Now if you translate these words literally, Baith means sitting, right? A sitting posture, and Bhav is expression. Whatever you are feeling inside, you need to express. Now as a dancer, expression is extremely important for any of us. When we are doing a Baith Ki Bhav, it means that you are sitting in one particular posture, not moving from that place, and you are showing whatever you want to express only through your face, your hands. It's actually the torso and above which you can move, but not your legs. You have to be stationed in one place, and then whatever song you are playing, the feelings, the emotions, everything has to be expressed while you are sitting. Okay, and these kinds of things are usually used in Thumri. Virju Maharaj is definitely an expert of this. So what happens is that whatever is sung in the Thumri, the complex things, first the dancer tries to express the literal meaning of it, then the different kind of interpretations are expressed through the expressions. Definitely the hand movements, the movement of the eyes, very crucial, the movements of the eyebrow, the movements of the head. So it's a complex thing. It's not easy like utilizing the entire stage while dancing. Focusing only on your face and expressing whatever is sung by the singer is quite difficult, and it needs a lot of practice. Even more than practice, what you need is complete concentration. If you are portraying the character of Radha or Krishna, you need to become the character and you need to feel it. Only then doing this Baith Ki Bhav will be possible. I will be coming up with a demonstration in my next lesson, and instead of going for a classical Thumri or a pure classical song, I will try to stick to a more popular number so that it is easier for you to understand and it becomes more interesting. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you so much.